Now we're going to talk about comparative and superlative adverbs. The comparative form of the adverb compares two actions. Two. The superlative form of the adverb compares more than two, so three or more. Use the comparative or superlative form of the following adverbs in parentheses to best complete each sentence. So we're either going to use an ER or we're going to use an EST in these examples. David looks happier or happiest than John this morning. We would say David looks happier than John this morning because we're comparing David to John. And when we do compare two things, we use ER. Let's do two of these together, and then the rest of them you will do on your own. The man arrived earlier or earliest than the others. Now we're saying the man, but we're saying all of the others. Are we saying that the man is going to all the people or one other person? We're saying that he's with one other person, so we're going to say the man arrived earlier. Number two, the man drove farther or farthest than he had to. So we're saying the man drove farther or farthest than he had to. So we're saying he could have driven one way, but he drove another way. So we're comparing two ways. So we would say that it is farther. The rest of those you're going to do on your own, choosing whether you're going to use an ER or EST.